Hey guys, welcome to LAVIN Love. Guys, thanks a lot for supporting my previous videos. If you haven't watched it, please go watch it. The link is in the description box. So yeah, let's get into the video. So today I am going to show a herbal tooth powder that deals with all your tooth problems. Like it helps to fight the foul smell. It helps to make your teeth stronger, brighter and also whiter. And also this is chemical free. It is not at all harmful. Even your kids can use this, guys. So for this you need this much of ingredients. Okay, firstly you need charcoal powder. I made it using charcoal chunks. Turmeric powder and crystal salt. If you don't have, you can use normal salt. That is normal salt. And neem powder and licorice powder. It is also called as muleti. And an empty bowl to mix all the ingredients, guys. And an airtight container to store the mixture. So this is finely powdered charcoal. So I'm adding 2 spoons of charcoal powder into the bowl. Adding half a spoon of turmeric, homemade turmeric. I'll be using crystal salt. If you don't have, you can use normal salt as well. I'm adding 1 spoon of salt to this. And half a spoon of neem powder, or even you can reduce it, but not more than that. And licorice powder, half spoon. So yeah, mix these powders very well. So mix it really well. So the powder would look like this. It looks shinier because of the salt. So how to use it? Take the powder as per your preference, and I'm adding water to that. Mix it. After adding the water, mix it to make a paste. So the paste would be like this. And I'm using my fingertips to demonstrate. You can even use your fingers to brush. Brush your teeth, or you can use your toothbrush as well. So brush in all the direction, like upward and downward direction, and also in circular motion. And after that, wash it with warm water. And you'll be able to see the results within 1 week itself. So yeah, store the leftover powder into an airtight container. It would be months together, guys. If you add water into that, it gets spoiled. Otherwise, it's just going to stay as it is for months together. So yeah, I hope you like this video. If so, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell and share it with your friends. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.